In project management, in terms of the hard skills, you must have knowledge about project management techniques. In this case, I'm talking about understand the difference between a traditional project management, an agile project management, and hybrid project management, and any other technique or strategy to deliver a project. You need to know these techniques to adapt your approach when you go to work in this project. Another skill is you need to know about project planning and scheduling. This is the basic information, the basic knowledge that you need to develop, basic skills that you need to develop to manage a project. A project is based in a plan, and a plan is based in a schedule. Doesn't matter which approach you're gonna use, traditional, agile, hybrid, doesn't matter. You need to develop a plan. You need to have a schedule. And this is important that to have these skills, this ability to create a plan and to create a schedule. You need to develop ability to monitor and control a project. Hey, Rogerio, I'm working a project that I don't need to control and monitor. I don't believe. Every project, doesn't matter which kind of project you're gonna work, you need some type of control and monitor. Why you need to monitor and control a project? Because you need to know if you achieve your objective. You need to know if you did your finish your activity, you finish your product, you finish your service. You need to know if your team are working as expected. You need to know if your resources are enough to finish your project. So you need to control and monitor a project. Doesn't matter what kind of project you're gonna work. Another very important skills is learning about a project management tool. You don't need to be a master in all tools, but you need to master at least one tool. You need to be good working in one tool in project management. Maybe you will not be, you're not fit for a specific position because you don't have knowledge about a specific tool. But probably if you master one tool in project management, it will be very easy to learn another tool because all the tools have the same strategy, the same, I would say, way of the thinking in project management. It's important that you study, you practice, and you exercise some project management tool. What's the best tool? That depends. It depends on kind of project you're gonna work. For example, if you're working in a traditional, in a project in a traditional way, maybe you need to find a software like MS Project or I don't know, SAP or something. If you're working in Agile, maybe you can use Kanban, Trello, or Jira. This doesn't matter. Try to learn one tool, and then you're going to adapt your knowledge to your environment. And it will be much more easier to learn another tool once you master one tool very well. Finally, you need to learn about financial and economic. In a project, again, doesn't matter which kind of project you're going to work, you need to manage the budget. You need to pay attention in the cost of your project. You need to understand the value, the financial value of your project. This will help you justify your project. You need to understand how to identify CapEx and OpEx expenses, for example. So this is important, that you have knowledge about economic and financial skills.